Hey family, how you doing? Look what I made. Not too far off from the packaging is. Come along, see how I did it. Let us try to get our cookies to look like this. So, I had 2 bags of these. These are the soft fake chocolate crinkle cookies from Betty Crocker. And make sure I want to make sure my microphone on. Each bag requires 1 stick of softened butter, not melted. I figure if it's melted, it's going to make your cookie spread really wide and thin. You don't want that. So make sure it's softened, not melted. 2 tablespoons of water and 2 eggs. So I'm going to double that because I had 2 bags. Smells like chocolate cakes. So that makes me wonder if I can make these cookies in the chopper box cake loss. I want to slice up my sticks of butter a little bit. That'll make it blend easier and flicker. And it is softened. I had it sitting out on the counter for a while. My hands are clean. Don't y'all ever be in the kitchen cooking, baking anything with some nasty hands. That's gross. And you ought to be ashamed of yourself if you can do it. Real? Would you want anybody cooking bacon for you with nasty hands? I don't think so. So why would you do that for anybody? Even yourself. Don't do it for yourself. Well, it doesn't call for this vanilla, but I'm going to add it. Whenever I bake, I try to put some flavor in there, some vanilla. So I'm going to do 4 tablespoons, since I had 2 bags. And this is a 2 tablespoon measuring spoon. And the only other thing which the bag asks for is the milk, the water. So, 2 tablespoons per bag. So, and then we just mix it up. Should have had my tea towel over the mixer. Look at all that. I made a mess. Why didn't you tell me I forgot the eggs? Because I was like, this is awful dry. Let me put the eggs in. It's 2 eggs per bag. I did that once before. I made some box brownies and I forgot the eggs. It's not good. It's not pretty. My sister and I tried to eat them, but it was like, something's not right, and I couldn't figure out what it was. So I went back and looked at the instructions. Buffy, she got the eggs. And the bad thing about it, just like there, I got the eggs sitting right here next to you. See? They're over here next to you. And it's still hot. Now, let's try to mix this up. Now we're cooking with gas, as the saying goes. You can still see pieces of the butter that got mixed in, but that's okay, I think. I hope. Because I don't want to keep mixing it. I don't want to overmix it. And you end up with some tough cookies. We don't want that. And the instructions say, if you want to get them to look like this, it says, to make the chocolate crinkles, refrigerate dough for 30 minutes, then roll dough in powdered sugar before baking. Cam that cookie dough has refrigerated for 30 minutes. We'll have some powdered sugar. I'm going to bake 3 of them, 1 for myself and each of my siblings, and then the rest I'm going to freeze this. Or we're going to do that taste test to see what they taste. So let me scoop out 3. The oven is preheated to 350. Now it says the rolling in the powdered sugar, so I'm just going to scoop out 3 of them, and then I'll roll them in the balls and then roll them in the powdered sugar. I've always seen cookies with the white topping, like on here, but I never knew how they made it. Now I do. This dough is sticky. See it on my hands? Says to bake 13 to 15 minutes at 350 or until edges are set. Cool for 2 minutes before I eat. Let me go rinse my hands off and then I'll put these in the oven. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna put all the cookie dough balls here and I'll roll them and I'll put them back on here and we'll freeze them. I don't know how the powdered sugar is gonna freeze, but baking, cooking, sometimes it's about testing stuff, so I'm testing. At first I wasn't going to use the powdered sugar, but this cookie dough has chocolate chips in it, and they use the semi-sweet chocolate chips. You don't really like that, we like milk chocolate, so I decided to roll it in the sugar because it needs some additional sweetness. And I'm going to flash freeze these for an hour in my deep freezer. And then I will bag them and in them and store them in the deep freezer there. And whenever we want some of these, we'll just take them out, take them right out because they're frozen, put them in the oven. We'll put a label on it, and I'll tell whoever's looking at it what it is and how to bake it, what temperature, how long, all that gets soaked. Push the cookies out of the oven. Not too far off on the kits. Should have put more powder sugar a little bit. Hold on this time. Now, just gonna let them cool. They ended up cooking, see I had it for 13, then it took about 17 minutes, but I had them on the top bracket. So 17 years. I will say this, it smelled good. It smelled like cake, kind of like maybe devil sweet cake or something, I don't know. So once I turn them if I like them, because there's a way that you can use a box cake mix and kick it out of it. I might do that and then just roll them in the powdered sugar. Easy peasy, right? Although, I don't think you're going to get much easier than doing this stuff. We'll see. Although, I think with the cake mix, I might get my cookies. Okay, I'm ready to take a taste test. Here it is. Still warm. Kind of warm. Not too much. See the back of it? Okay. Well, we'll put it close to the camera so you can see me as I pull it open. See how moist it is? I don't know if you can see it, but right here is one of those chocolate chips. Yeah, I think you can see that right there. Here we go. Because I don't like semi-sweet chocolate chips, but this is good. I'm gonna be honest with you. I didn't think it would be because it's a dark chocolate. This is good. Let me tell you though, I'm going to do some research. Get the technique for making cookies out of box cake mix. Because man, if I could find like a milk chocolate cake mix to make these, pair some milk chocolate chips. But this is it. Wow. What? It needed the powdered sugar because again it's this dark chocolate. I'm not a fan of that. So it needed that extra sweetness and it needed the vanilla too. But Daddy Crocker got me messed up. In a good way. My God. And then here, I hope you can see, there's where one of the chips melted a little bit right there. Okay, family, it is November 22nd. I had 348 subscribers. I'm 2 away from getting to 350 and 152 away from getting to 500. I would like to get to 500, if not more. I'm greedy. By the end of the year. So spread the word. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Spread the word and get your family and friends to check out the channel. And if they like it, please subscribe. So thank you for coming along with me, family. I learned something new today. And I got a new Betty Crocker cookie mix that I like. Where'd I put the bag? Here's the bag. Nope, no. Betty is going to be the death of me. I mean, come on, Betty. Every time I turn around, you got another cookie mix out. And I'm for that. You feel me? I'm for that. Yeah. This was a laner. Now that caramel apple, my sister and I didn't like it. She gonna like this. I'm really gonna like it too. Wow. Thanks for watching. Leave a thumbs up, leave a comment. Have you tried these or any of the other Betty Crocker cookie mixes? Are there some out there that I don't know about? I need to find them, try them. Let me know. Leave a comment. Till the next video. And if I don't chit-chat with you guys before Thanksgiving, happy Thanksgiving. Have a blessed one. All the best to you and yours. Bye for now.